They sent us an email not to be creating a nuisance for others, and that's exactly what's going on in the pool area. They're being really loud. They're not respecting the email that Jennifer sent out. Kids are being loud. They're yelling. It's just really annoying. It's a noise nuisance, and they're not supposed to be doing that. No roughhousing, kicking balls, talking loudly, kicking balls to cars, skateboarding, all that sort of stuff. And that's exactly what's going on. And I can hear it, and it's annoying me. So I've already got to deal with having to send an email because workers showed up when they weren't supposed to and damaged my vehicle. Now I got to deal with these annoying kids. So I really wish that someone would reach out to these people and let them know, hey, you're violating, like it said in the email, you're violating your lease, and you can hear that. Really unnecessarily, just unnecessary noise, really. And it's the same people. I can tell you exactly the units and everything.